So this is what I feel the best compressor for home use, basically. Workshop, around houses, even if you just want to have a compressor close to your machine, this is the best option, providing that you're not going to need much air. This is rated at, it's got 2 pumps on it, 60 litres a minute, it's 7 bar. It's not very, you can't certainly spray paint with it, but you can certainly do your normal, you know, nail guns, air tools, rattle guns, that sort of stuff. Get away with that pretty easily. So why I think this one's the best option is because it's so quiet. I'll show you in a second what it sounds like. And also, it's very well set up to be able to remote switch on and off. What it has is the unloader valves for each compressor, electrically operated. So they're basically always open, and if they close when the compressor gets power to start up. So it's perfect for doing that. And you'll see when I fire it up, it's actually I put it on a smart switch, so you can basically just turn it on with your mobile phone wherever you are. And if you leave it on, you can just flick it off again. Let's do a bit of a noise comparison. This is my old Ingersoll Rad belt drive compressor. This is the first Silent compressor I've got. Great compressor, it's just doesn't pump out very much. So if you start to even struggle if you're just doing tyres when you've only got the 65 litre a minute capacity. It's a little bit lacking.